You step outside into the warm sun, feeling its rays kiss your skin. It feels good, energizing, even. But what many don't realize is that this same sunlight, over time, is the #1 external factor that ages your skin. From wrinkles to dark spots, fine lines to sagging, sun damage quietly builds up over the years. The good news: you can reverse much of it. Sun damage, also called photoaging, is caused by ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun, mainly UVA and UVB. While UVB causes sunburn, UVA penetrates deeper and is primarily responsible for premature aging. Together, they damage collagen, elastin, and skin cell DNA, accelerating the appearance of aging far beyond what nature alone would do. The first signs of photoaging typically appear in your 30s, crow's feet, uneven tone, dullness, or rough texture. In fairer skin tones, it shows up as freckles or sunspots. In darker skin tones, it may manifest as hyperpigmentation or uneven coloring. But wherever it starts, it rarely stops unless you intervene. So, how do you reverse sun damage? 1. Start with sun protection. Here's the truth: reversing sun damage starts with preventing more of it. That means daily sun protection. Not just on the beach or during summer, but every single day. UV rays pass through clouds and windows, so they affect you even indoors or in winter. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply every 2 hours if you're outside. Look for zinc oxide or titanium dioxide if you prefer mineral sunscreens, or avobenzone for chemical options. Wearing wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and clothing with built-in UV protection can further shield your skin. 2. Introduce retinoids to your routine. Retinoids, vitamin A derivatives, are some of the most researched and proven ingredients for reversing sun damage. They speed up cell turnover, stimulate collagen production, and fade dark spots. Start with over-the-counter retinol if you're new, then ask your dermatologist about stronger prescription options like tretinoin or adapalene. Just be patient, it can take weeks to months to see full results. And always apply retinoids at night, followed by sunscreen during the day. They make skin more sun-sensitive. 3. Exfoliate regularly, but gently. Sun-damaged skin often looks dull because of the buildup of dead skin cells. Exfoliation helps remove this layer, revealing fresher, brighter skin beneath. You can use physical exfoliants, scrubs, or chemical exfoliants, like AHAs and BHAs. Glycolic acid and lactic acid are great choices for chemical exfoliation. They loosen the glue between dead skin cells and promote smoother texture and tone. But don't overdo it, 2 to 3 times a week is plenty. 4. Load up on antioxidants. UV rays cause oxidative stress, which leads to DNA damage and premature aging. Antioxidants fight this stress, both from the outside and the inside. That's why vitamin C serums are so popular. They help brighten skin, support collagen, and neutralize free radicals. Look for skincare products with vitamins C and E, ferulic acid, resveratrol, or green tea extract. At the same time, eat a diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with antioxidants that help your body fight sun damage from within. 5. Consider professional treatments. Sometimes, at-home care isn't enough to reverse deeper sun damage. That's where professional dermatology treatments come in. Options include chemical peels, help remove damaged top layers of skin, improve tone, and reduce pigmentation. Microneedling uses tiny needles to stimulate collagen production and enhance absorption of active ingredients. Laser therapy targets pigmentation, boosts collagen, and resurfaces skin. Intense pulsed light, IPL, helps treat redness, age spots, and discoloration. These treatments vary in cost, downtime, and intensity. Consult a board-certified dermatologist to choose what's best for your skin type and concern. 6. Stay hydrated inside and out. Sun-damaged skin often becomes dry, rough, or flaky. Hydration helps repair the skin barrier and improve elasticity. Drink plenty of water, and use moisturizers with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or glycerin to lock in moisture. Don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned moisturizer. When your skin is well hydrated, it looks plumper, smoother, and more radiant. 7. Be patient and consistent. Reversing sun damage isn't an overnight process. It takes time, consistency, and a little patience. But with the right steps, many signs of photoaging, like dark spots, rough texture, and fine lines, can be visibly improved or even reversed. Think of your skin like a garden. You wouldn't plant seeds and expect a flower the next morning. You water it, feed it, protect it from harsh weather, and slowly watch it flourish. Your skin needs the same nurturing. 8. Sleep, stress, and supplements. Quality sleep helps your skin repair itself overnight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep to support collagen regeneration and cellular renewal. Manage stress through mindfulness, exercise, or hobbies. Stress hormones like cortisol can worsen inflammation and aging. Some people also benefit from skin-supporting supplements. Collagen peptides, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins A, C, D, and E can enhance your skincare routine, though they shouldn't replace a balanced diet. Sun damage is not the end. It's easy to feel discouraged when you start noticing signs of sun damage. But your skin is remarkably resilient. With consistent care, protection, and the right treatments, you can reverse much of the visible aging caused by the sun. Start today. Apply sunscreen, drink water, and nourish your skin from the inside out. Whether you're in your 30s, 50s, or beyond, it's never too late to turn back the clock and help your skin glow again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might enjoy it too, and drop a comment below. I'd really love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching.